I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not.
쿠스코에서 약 30여 킬로 떨어진 피삭은 잉카인들이 성스러운 계곡으로 부르는 곳이다. 우르밤바강의 상류인 유카이 계곡의 산 위에 위치한 피삭은 잉카시대의 석조건축물과 계단식 문경지 그리고 그들의 독특한 매장문화를 볼 수 있다.
I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.